from anywhere between 15 and 30 on that AP axial. Now we're going to do two. We're going to do an AP and AP axial. And remember the breathing instructions are expiration for the first one, inspiration for the second. So remember the saying, down and out, up and in, right? When we don't have a center right angle, then it's expiration. When we have a center right angle, which is cephalic, then we have is full inspiration. And the rule of thumb is if your patient is standing upright, when we do our AP axial, that we angle 20 degrees cephalic. 25 cephalic. If we have our patient laying on the table, we angle 20 degrees cephalic, because you always angle less when your patient is laying down because they straighten out. You know what I mean? They're straighter. All right, but we need to have this terrain mid-clavicle. Easy to do, and I'll tell you why. This works pretty much. Let's move you over a little bit. Put your hand right here on your patient's shoulder and see the thumb. Drop it down. Find the clavicle. It is almost always mid shaft. Almost always. Now we're going to move you a little bit to your right. Left. I'm sorry. All right. And then I'm going to bring it back to where my thumb is, which you can't see, so I don't know why I told you that. Okay. And I'm going to move it again, just slightly. And this always works. It does. Just trust me. And you want the entire clavicle, so we know when we see the light field, we're going to get it here. Now, this is going to move underneath your back here, Pamela.
Uh-oh, did it disappear?
Okay,
I know.
Now we want to collimate to about here. And we're going to have you do the breathing instruction. Take a breath in, Pam. Blow it all the way out. Hold it out. Don't breathe or move. Okay, expose. You can breathe and relax. Stay just like that. And now I'm going to put a 25 cephalic angle on the center. I'm just going to do the rule of thumb. Remember, thinner patients need more of an angle, bigger patients need less. But we're just going to do the rule of thumb, which is that's 30. Sorry, that's 25. All right? Now drop this down. Oh, goodness gracious. Yeah, I really don't have the 25, but see, it's sticky. All right. You want to come in underneath it so that this is exiting through the clavicle. So I'm a little high. You need to have the center right coming in right underneath the clavicle so that it's going up at a sharp angle. So that it's actually going to go through. Oh my gosh. I just cannot get it to where I want it to be because okay, there we go. I could still, I'm a little frustrated with the equipment, but what can I do? I still really want to go underneath a little bit more. I'm still kind of too much on the bone. I need to be right underneath it. If I'm wasting a lot of time, there we go. Okay. You always have to realign tube and Bucky. And don't get too wild with your collimation. Do collimate, but don't get too wild with it on this one. Because you can, don't look at the light field on your patient. All right, and then this is done on full inspiration. So Pamela, I'm going to take a big breath in. Hold it in now and expose. You can breathe and relax. And now let's move you out of the way. See, if you're looking at the light field on your patient, you're going to think you need to collimate more and more and more, and you don't. So that's about what you want. And we want to line not to that, but to this. Because we have such an angle, we don't want to, don't look at that. So, all right, let's have one of